Hello everybody, this is a Lamley unboxing. Hot Wheels 2023 USN case. Mattel sent this to me so I can open it for you. That means if they're sending it, it means it's coming. I believe M cases has hit. I've seen what people are finding. Sometimes it's hard to keep up, and I don't think I've done an unboxing in a while, but I've got this N case, and then A&J Toys sent the International P case, so we'll get to that as well in another video. But let's get on with it with the N case. I believe the Super in this one is the Porsche in the year of the 935 Chase, right? It's a Super and it's the race day Chase for car culture as well. So quite the showing for that Porsche 935. No idea if we'll get it. Usually we don't in these unboxings, but let's just open this up and find out. I have got to try and remember what is what, and let's just get to it. Oh, and we start with the H2Go. It's a boat. 18 Dodge Challenger, 2018 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon. That one in black. I think we've seen that one before. We have not seen this one, the toned Volkswagen. And I am seeing a symbol there, which suggests that we have a regular treasure hunt. We do. There's the symbol on the back pillar. That is the regular treasure hunt. That's a cool one. I love the deco on that one. Obviously, it's the tuned Volkswagen. Some people like the tuned cars, some people do not, but people like treasure hunts, and that's what that is. So we'll put that in the highlight pile for sure. Pass and Gasser, that one looks cool. Oh, look, it's a Batmobile. Head gasket. I probably watched this. Ooh, 88 Honda CRX. That's a recolor, right? It was silver or kind of gray in the first one, and that one looks cool. That's a nice color on that one. I really like it. I was saying this is the Poison Arrow, and there's another Pass and Gasser. I watch the unboxings when they come out. They come out. Our friends in Asia tend to have these much quicker than we do. But I'll coordinate, usually when Mattel sends them or A&J Toys, it means that they're at hobby dealers, and it also means that they're going to be hitting stores inevitably. They're, I think, into the A cases already for 2024, but we'll stay with these. But I always forget. I watch the unboxings and go, oh, that's cool, and then I forget and realize, oh, I want to watch this. All right, that was a cool car. Lamborghini Reventon, looks cool in red, side striping there. That's pretty nice. 86 Ford Thunderbird Pro Stock, that is a recolor of the blue one, and we know what that is. That is a Batmobile. Corvette C7 Z06 convertible, I think that is a recolor. Fiat 500e, I believe that is a recolor, and we saw in the last case the 2018 Honda Civic Type R in police livery. That one is cool. 18 Dodge Challenger in black, already seen that. Tesla Roadster, that's back. Old classic casting. They've done that nice and clean. That looks nice. I think there's people like that. And then we've talked about the 73 Jeep J10. That's a nice model. Haven't hit any new castings yet. Rimac Navara, fantastic in white. Turbine Sublime, and another one of the Jeeps. Hot Wired, Lamborghini Reventon again, and the Baja Bison T5. Dakar style car. We know what that is. Mustang NHRA funny car. Excuse me. And the Highway Hauler. I think we've seen all of those. Here we go. Hologram, that looks nice, but let's talk. And then, of course, I'm always happy. I always have to stop and pause and love the 89 Mercedes-Benz 560 SEC AMG recolor in silver. I think since the last time we did this, I unveiled the Super Treasure Hunt. Very excited about that in 2024. But enough about that. Let's talk about the custom 68 Camaro. We did a showcase of this one, like a sneak peek of the FEP of this one, or actually just like the prototype. Here it is in finished form, and it is fantastic. Taking the 68 Camaro and turning it into this like modified, just futuristic street car that's in the Hot Wheels Slammed. I just think that is such a cool design. This is where basic comes in. Some people are like, oh, I don't like the style. Honestly, like, I don't know if that matters, because it's a dollar car, so you can buy it or you don't, but this is where Hot Wheels can kind of experiment, have some fun with some cars. And I think this one, we've seen lifted Camaros, we've seen all kinds of different Camaros. This is really cool. The deco on this is fantastic too. That is a major highlight. I just think that's just a cool design. Oh yeah, we're red hot now. All of a sudden, Bugatti Bolide. Is it the Bolide? Bolide, just awesome too. We also showed this one in the sneak peeks, just the prototype. But I mean, this one's all about that rear taillight. It would be so sad if Hot Wheels didn't do this. I don't care if they did anything else. They needed to do these rear taillights, and they did, and it just looks so cool. Cannot wait to open that one. That one goes in the highlight pile as well. Those are two, like, a real car that looks menacing, a imaginary car that looks menacing. Those are two fantastic designs, like way into those. Fast Feline, because I can't say it, Tesla Roadster. GMC Hummer EV, that's Ken's truck. There's another Bugatti. Nice to see that there's two in this case, because sometimes these new castings don't show up in twos. And the fast bed hauler, really cool design, especially for a $1 basic. All right, let's keep going. Oh, that Bugatti's fantastic. Hopefully we get another Camaro as well. But we get another Mercedes, so no complaints there. There's a Surf Duty, and there's the BMW i8 Roadster. Ooh, that is beautiful. 62 Corvette. Done in gray. It almost looks like it's out of a black and white movie, doesn't it? I wonder if that was intentional, but that's how it looks. Love that. That's a highlight. Ford Bronco R. Can't remember if this was in the last case, but it's a Zamac in the Q case. Chevy Nova wagon. Looks cool. Another Baja Bison. There's a Chevy Chevette. That'll be a red edition, and another Nova wagon. And we're dropping everything. Throw that down. Cloak and Dagger. Really cool design there. Halloween, Day of the Dead style. Dodge Charger Hellcat. Cool, they're putting the word Hellcat on these now. Didn't know if they could, but they are now. And the Honda CB750 Cafe. Is that a recolor? I think it might be. I don't put the motorcycles in the new casting Lamley awards, only because people tend to vote on them kind of in a, like, they don't like them, and that tends to skew the vote, because I want to keep it in the, like, cars like this. I want to know what is everyone's favorite and their most disappointing. And sometimes I put in, like, the tuned cars or the motorcycles, and people skew to those, and they don't like them because they're tuned, or they don't like them. I just want to know, like, in the realistic stuff, like, what they're most disappointed. Like, I'm just getting on a tangent here, but this would be more interesting. People might say, love the 68 Camaro, but don't like this design. That's more of what I'm talking about. So I keep the motorcycles and the tuned cars out. Tuned cars they did last year, and then they skewed the vote, and so I'm keeping them out this year, even with that cool Porsche coming. Rimac Navara, Fiat 500, and the Hot Wheels High. I get real scientific about those Lamley Awards. And there's three examples why. I want to know what people think of these in the Lamley Awards. Custom 68 Camaro, again, nice to see a second. There's the Volvo from the last case, which is a very interesting design on this EV Volvo. And how about this new casting? Safari 928S Porsche. This is another cool, interesting take on the Porsche, the 928. Nice to see the 928 getting some love, even if it's not stock. This one is really cool, and we'll get some opinions on this one. I love this. Like, oh man, we are just killing it on the new models so far. Just killing it. Those are all interesting and very, very cool. Let's keep going. Ooh, Mazda Savana RX-7 FC3S in black. Beautiful, beautiful, and highlight for sure. There's another Porsche, so two of those, and then the Land Rover Defender, which you've seen, and also really, really pretty. Brutinator. They changed that, right? I guess they put the Brutinator. No, it's the what is it called again? It's the it's the bottle opener. What was it called? See, it's funny how when you do these videos. Cloak and Dagger and another Nova wagon. Lots of Nova wagons, although it is a really clean, beautiful design. 62 Corvette. There's the Mighty K Super in the last case, and there's the Jaguar I-Pace E-Trophy. That is the second color of that one, and that will be the other Zamac in the Q case. That looks cool. Kind of messed up here. There we go. Turbine, Sublime, Honda Civic Type R, and another Mighty K. And to finish off, NHRA Funny Car, BMW i8 Roadster, and the 2020 Toyota Tacoma in white. Beautiful, beautiful design. And we finish off in this N case with the head gasket, teed off 2, and the Hot Wheels 4-track Really cool case. Something's missing, right? Something didn't, and sometimes this happens with cars that are the supers. We don't have the super or the regular in here. I do have the regular because this is funny because, you know, Mattel sends me the supers to showcase. So they said, hey, we sent you the Porsche 935 Super, but it looks so much like the basic, they actually messed up and sent the basic. No complaints. They'll need to send the super so we can do the showcase at the end of the year, but that's okay, or I'll find one or buy one. But that's the basic. So that would be in there. This one wasn't. Sometimes you'll see that even the regular's not in the case at all. It's either the super, the regular, or nothing. I guess that's 3 options that would be there. Nonetheless, it would be a highlight of the case, so we'll throw that in there. These are by far the 3 highlights. The Bugatti, probably that's the most exciting here, but I really like the 2 designs of the Camaro and the Porsche Safari. And then we have a really nice regular treasure hunt and 3 fantastic, oh, that's the Bugatti again. 2 fantastic basics. And there's some of the good basics in there, but I really think those stand out. You guys tell me what you think. That is the end case hitting stores soon. A Porsche Super and then the Datsun after this. People are going to be going crazy. Thanks, everybody. Bye.